In my video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions to help you remove the ransomware called Raptum. Raptum is a ransomware that encrypts files and damages them. Before the ransomware's attack, you are definitely able to open your files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. The ransomware actually encrypts files, and it also changes this desktop background, which already contains the ransom note. Briefly, the ransom note tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. Well, the ransomware also appends a special extension to the file names. So the ransomware appends the Raptum extension to the file names. And typically, this is what happens with most of the ransomware type threats. To get rid of the ransomware, I recommend you to use the program called Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it. The extension was Raptum46. So download Combo Cleaner through this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the program and start carefully researching your system with its help to detect and remove all other infections. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.